Alright guys, we're getting right back into it.
Yeah, so we're out here in the shop now. So welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the wood shop. And we're here building the miter saw station. We're on part 4 now. So we just finished up the drawer in the last episode. So we're gonna be working on the next cabinet here, which is gonna have 2 drawers in it to hold all of our tools, because we need the storage out here. Because if you guys haven't noticed throughout this build, it's been an absolute mess. But you know what? It is what it is. We're gonna try to get this one finished up. So we're gonna start cutting these panels right now.
Impact drill, countersink bit, and some 1¼ inch screws. That's what I need.
Because we're gonna start assembling the cabinet.
Yes, I have, I think, all the pieces right now. Then I have to cut more pieces for it.
But that's for later.
That's for later. For right now, we gotta install what I have and then see what it looks like. Alright, so the skeleton of the cabinet is complete. So what I have to do now is pretty much start sanding the entire front of the cabinet so that I can start installing veneer strips. So I have some veneer strips right here. So this is oak, it's about 1 inch wide. I have to rip this down to 3/4 inches so that it's the same thickness as the panels that I made the cabinet out of. So all I have to do is glue this and apply it to the face of this. And that's about it. I still have to make 3 more pieces because these aren't long enough for the middle, as you can see. So I'm gonna start working on that right now.
So what we got done today is we got the cabinet all made, we put it into place, so now it's gonna stay here permanently. We're not gonna be bringing this thing back out, working on it on the table. The next step is to make the drawers, which is gonna be in the next video because it's getting late. But before we do that, I wanna kind of show you guys the idea with this cabinet. So just hold on a second, let me grab this box here. This is our Festool box. We're gonna put it right inside here. And see, that's what we made. This is gonna be a little shelf area. And we got another one right here. You know, we can pop that, turn it however we want.
So we're gonna be putting doors on that?
Yeah, we're gonna be putting doors on this for later, but what's gonna be next is gonna be the 2 drawers. So those are gonna hold a lot of like tools because we're tired of having like the tools in the boxes in the shop because they're like scattered all over the place. So we want to make sure that they have a spot to be. So those drawers are gonna be pretty deep. There's gonna be 2 of them. I think we're going like 8 inches.
Yeah, it's 8 inches deep.
Yeah, so 8 inches deep on those drawers. Making 2 of those. Those are gonna be made out of plywood all the way around. And then the face of them, I think, what did you want to do?
I think we're doing a hickory face.
Hickory face, maybe something fancy if it comes up. We'll definitely do that. But we're pretty much gonna be wrapping up this video right here. So be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for the next part of this build, which is gonna be the drawers. Follow us on Instagram to stay tuned for daily updates. But yeah, guys, just like that, we're gonna end this video. So let's roll that outro.